How to fix NPM cannot be loaded because running scripts is disabled on this system. So if you have already Node.js installed and your environment variables set up, here's what you can do. Right click on the start button and then open up your PowerShell or terminal if you're in Windows 11. And then you will need to copy and paste the following command, which is going to be in the video description. Right click to paste the command and then press enter and then confirm with Y. This will basically allow you to run local scripts only for this user of the computer. If you switch user accounts, this will not work anymore. And the second option is to use the second command that is also going to be in the video description. This will allow you to run scripts as long as this command line or PowerShell is running. And once you close it, you will need to run that command again. This is very important because malware also used to run scripts automatically. So this basically makes your computer safe by disabling it or only allowing it for very specific needs. And the last option is, if you don't want to deal with that, you can basically use CMD instead of PowerShell. So right click on the start button and then open up the run command. And in here type CMD and press enter. And now you can use NPM commands in the default CMD without any policy restrictions or execution restrictions. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.